Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Xbox Controller Lunar Shift is probably one of the most visually striking and unique controllers Microsoft has ever released, boasting a mesmerizing iridescent finish that shifts and shimmers with every angle and movement, making it a true collector's item for any gaming enthusiast looking to elevate their setup with a touch of celestial beauty and unparalleled style. Number 5. Xbox Elite Series 2 Core Wireless Controller. Experience pro-level play with this advanced controller. It features adjustable thumbsticks, a comfortable grip, and quick trigger locks for ultimate control. This package includes the essential components to elevate your gaming. Further customization is available with separate accessory packs. Tailor your experience with exclusive button mapping in the app. You can even choose the color of the illuminated button to match your style. Create and save up to 3 custom profiles directly on the controller. Easily switch between them on the fly to adapt to any game. Enjoy up to 40 hours of battery life for uninterrupted gaming sessions. Its refined components are built for long-lasting performance. Connect seamlessly via Xbox Wireless, Bluetooth, or USB-C. It's compatible with your Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Windows devices. What we like. If you demand the ultimate in control and customization, this is for you. With adjustable tension thumbsticks and custom profiles, you can fine-tune your experience for any game. If you're a competitive gamer or someone who loves to tinker with settings, this controller offers unparalleled personalization. What people say. The controller has a unique iridescent finish that shifts colors. It feels great in the hands and has the standard Xbox controller layout. The textured grips provide a secure hold during gameplay. Number 4. Xbox Core Wireless Controller, Robot White. Introducing the Xbox Core Wireless Controller in Robot White. Experience a modernized design with enhanced comfort for longer gaming sessions. Its sculpted surfaces and refined geometry provide superior comfort. Stay on target with the new hybrid D-pad and textured grip. Capture and share your greatest gaming moments with ease. The dedicated share button makes it simple to post screenshots and recordings. Connect seamlessly to your favorite devices. Enjoy Xbox Wireless and Bluetooth technology for easy pairing with consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Connect your headset directly with the 3.5mm audio jack. Use the USB-C port for direct plug-and-play on your console or PC. Make the controller truly yours. Customize button mappings using the Xbox Accessories app for a personalized gameplay experience. What we like. For the everyday gamer who values comfort and convenience, this controller is a fantastic choice. Its sculpted design ensures a comfortable grip for long sessions, and the new share button makes capturing your best moments effortless. If you're looking for a reliable, comfortable, and feature-rich controller for general gaming across multiple devices, this is it. What people say. The controller has a unique iridescent finish that shifts colors. It feels great in the hands and the buttons are responsive. The pearlescent finish is really eye-catching and looks premium. Number 3. Xbox Wireless Gaming Controller, Electric Volt. Introducing the new Xbox Wireless Controller in Electric Volt. Its modernized design offers enhanced comfort with sculpted surfaces and refined geometry for longer gaming sessions. Achieve precision with the new hybrid D-pad. You'll also enjoy a textured grip on the triggers, bumpers, and back case for better control. Easily capture and share your gaming moments. The new share button lets you seamlessly record screenshots and gameplay clips. Connect effortlessly to your favorite devices. It features Xbox Wireless and Bluetooth technology for easy switching between consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Enjoy direct plug-and-play connectivity with the USB-C port. Plus, plug in your compatible headset using the 3.5mm audio jack for immersive sound. Make it your own with custom button mapping. Use the Xbox Accessories app to personalize your controller to fit your playstyle. What we like. If you want a controller that looks as good as it plays, consider this option. The striking electric volt color and textured grip make it stand out. It offers the same great comfort and features as the standard model, but with a bold aesthetic. Perfect for gamers who want to express their style while enjoying a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. What people say. The color shift is really cool and looks amazing in person. The controller feels great in the hands and the textured grips are a nice touch. The pearlescent finish really makes the controller stand out. Number 2. Fosmon 5280 mAh Rechargeable Battery Charger Kit. Tired of constantly buying disposable batteries for your controller? Switch to our high-capacity rechargeable batteries and save hundreds of dollars. They are compatible with the latest Xbox Series XS and older models too. Don't let a dead controller ruin your game. These extended life batteries provide up to 40 hours of playtime per charge. With 2 batteries, you get up to 80 hours of uninterrupted gaming. Keep your gaming sessions going without a hitch. Our dual charging station lets you charge 2 batteries simultaneously. A full charge takes only 4.5 hours, so you're always ready to play. Game with confidence thanks to our UL-certified batteries and charging dock. They feature overcharge and overcurrent protection, ensuring a long lifespan of over 1,000 charge cycles. Easily monitor your charging status. The LED indicator glows green when your batteries are fully charged and red while they are still powering up. We stand by our product quality. This charging kit comes with a limited lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. Visit our website for more details. What we like. Tired of running out of battery mid-game? This rechargeable battery kit is the solution. It offers extended play time and the convenience of dual charging, ensuring you always have a fresh battery ready. If you play for long hours or simply want to avoid the hassle and cost of disposable batteries, this is an essential accessory for your controller. What people say. The color shift is amazing, it changes from purple to gold to blue depending on the light. The controller feels great in the hands, and the textured grips are a nice touch. The pearlescent finish is beautiful and unique, making it stand out from other controllers. Number 1. KontrolFreek FPS Freek Inferno for Xbox. Dominate your favorite FPS titles with these performance thumbsticks. They are designed to dramatically upgrade your aim, precision, and movement. The high-rise thumbstick on the right analog stick is engineered to boost your accuracy and precision. Make every shot count. Improve your in-game movement with the mid-rise thumbstick for the left analog. Navigate the battlefield with greater control. Experience superior grip and comfort thanks to the new, improved proprietary rubber material. Play for longer without fatigue. Crafted in the USA by the industry's leading controller enhancement brand. Trust and quality designed to give you the edge. What we like. For players who want to elevate their performance in first-person shooter games, these thumbsticks are a game-changer. The different heights offer improved accuracy and movement control, while the proprietary rubber ensures a secure grip. If you're looking to gain a competitive edge and enhance your aiming precision, these are a must-have accessory. What people say. The controller has a unique iridescent finish that shifts colors. It feels great in the hands and has a comfortable grip. The buttons are responsive and the analog sticks are precise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.